In this tutorial, I provide a brief description of the basic tools and features of this web map. When you open the web map for the first time, by default, it displays a map of the Great Lakes Basin, including a map legend that explains what the feature symbols on the map represent. For example, the blue dots displayed on the map represent approximate locations of one or multiple coastal wetland projects funded by the Great Lakes Restoration Initiative. The gray dots represent specific locations of wetlands monitored under the Coastal Wetland Monitoring Program, and the lighter blue-colored region represents the 5 main watersheds that make up the Great Lakes Basin. The gray-colored area, with dashed lines, represents the congressional districts for those states that border a Great Lake. You can access information about this web map at any time by clicking on the information icon in the top right of the map. When clicked, it opens a window that displays information about the purpose of the web map and basic instructions on how to use it, as well as web links to learn more about the Great Lakes Restoration Initiative and the Coastal Wetland Monitoring Program. The information window lists and describes each of the main tools included in the web map and also provides links to access tutorial videos, including this one, and another that walks users through the more advanced features while exploring examples of coastal wetland projects. Let's start with the tools used most often, and these are the map navigation tools located in the top left of the map. As with many web map applications, if you want to zoom in or zoom out to different locations or features in the map, simply click on the plus or minus symbols respectively. If, at any time, you want to return to the map's home view, just click on the default Accent tool, or simply refresh your browser window to reset the map. If you're on a secure web link, clicking the My Location tool will zoom the map into your general location. The zoom in and zoom out tools in particular are very useful, and thankfully, they can be conveniently accessed using your mouse pointer and scroll wheel. Simply position your mouse pointer on a location on the map that you're interested in, and use your scroll wheel to zoom in or out at that location. You may find need to pan or adjust your map once you've zoomed in or out, and you can do this by clicking and holding your mouse's main button while you move your mouse in the direction of your choice. Alternatively, you can also press and hold the Shift key and, using the mouse pointer, draw a red box around an area of interest, and the map will automatically zoom into that area. Once you have zoomed into an area of interest, just click on a feature, and if it can be selected, it will open a pop-up window and display information about that feature. If you know the place name of a location you want to zoom to, for example, Green Bay, type that into the Find Address or Place search window and select the option that best matches your place name. The map will automatically zoom to that location. You may have noticed that by zooming in to Green Bay, Wisconsin, the new features have appeared both on the map and in the map legend. In this case, the map and the map legend now display green, blue, and orange colored features representing the 3 general types of coastal wetlands found within the Great Lakes Basin and monitored by the Coastal Wetland Monitoring Program. Let's move on to the Layer List tool. When you click on it, it displays a list of map layers and their features that can be displayed on the map. Use your mouse pointer and click on the box next to any layer to control whether that layer will be visible on the map. Just know that some layers are preset to turn on and off at specific scales, so zooming in and out will affect what layers are visible on the map. You can expand each layer to view how the layer's features are symbolized. And if you click on the 3 dots to the right of each listed layer, you can access additional tools that let you control the layer's display settings, layer order, and access to the map layer's attribute table and additional item details. However, I won't go into these tools any further here. The next tool is the Base Map Gallery. It lets you select from several options to load a background map that will be displayed in addition to the listed map layers. For example, select one of the satellite or aerial views to display real landscape features. The web map also includes an Add Data tool that allows you to add new layers to the map from an internet source or from a file on your computer. And in the event you want to print your map, just click on the Print tool to save the map as a PDF file that you can then download to your computer to print or save to view later. In this short tutorial, I have provided an overview of the basic tools used to navigate and explore the layers provided in this web map. Remember that at any time, just click on the information icon at the top right of the web map to access helpful information on how to use the map and to access another video that describes the more advanced tools not covered here. Thank you.